So today we will learn elements and atoms. An atom reflection. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. All matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are buildings of blocks of matter, sort of how big are the buildings of blocks of houses. An atom has three parts. Proton is positively charged, neutron has no charge, electron is negatively charged. Look, it is the structure of an atom. The positive signs are proton and the circles are electrons, and that brown balls have no symbols on it are neutrons. The proton and neutron found in the center of the atom, a place called the nucleus. What are elements? Elements are made up of atoms. They are pure. Elements have same type of atoms. Atoms of the same element have the same number of protons. Example: gold, silver, and oxygen. It is like this. Electron has negatively charged, proton is positively charged, and neutron has no charge. So now atoms always has as many electrons as protons. Atoms usually have about as many neutrons as protons. So hydrogen has 1 proton, 1 electron and 0 neutrons. Helium 2 protons, 2 electrons, 2 neutrons. Carbon 6 protons, 6 electrons and 6 neutrons. Adding a proton makes a new kind of atom. Adding a neutron makes an isotope of that atom, a heavier version of that atom. More about elements. Elements are the building blocks of all matter. The periodic table is a list of all of the elements that can build matter. It's like the alphabet of chemistry. The periodic table tells us several things. The periodic table. Atomic number. Number of protons and it is also the number of electrons is an atom of an element. Element name will come here, like its example. Number of electrons and its number of electrons 0. Atomic number 8. Element symbol and as an abbreviation for the element. Modern atomic model. The Bohr model shows all of the particles in the atom. In the center of circle, each circle represents a single neutron or proton. Should have a plus or P written on them. Neutron should be blank or have an N. In a look, purple one has 2 plus sign, means it's positively charged, and it is what it is. It is proton. These 2 circles, green ones are electrons because it is negatively charged, and 2 gray, and these 2 balls having no symbol on it, they are neutrons because they are no charge. Electrons have special rules. You can't just show all of the electrons in the first orbit of an electron. Electrons live in something called shells or energy levels. Only so many can be any certain shell. Electron has special rules. You means that you can just show all of the electrons into the array. Electrons live in something called shells or energy living. Only so many can be in a certain circle. The electrons in the outermost shell of any element are called valence electrons. How to write symbols of element? write symbols of element. Each type of atom or element can be represented by a unique chemical symbol consisted of one or two letters. Unique chemical. The first letter is written as a capital, and the second letter is, if there is one, is written in lowercase. Example: carbon can be represented by the C. Neon can be represented by the symbol Ne. The periodic table. It is the periodic table. It is the periodic table of elements. Some common elements. This is your written task that we have done above. Elements and periodic table written task. These describe each element in a sentence. Oxygen, carbon, lithium, and neon. Correct the statement. Electrons are made up of different types of atoms. State a reason for representing the following elements by their symbols that we learn over here. HELI. Oxygen has an atomic number of 8. Write the number of electrons that fits in 8. First 10 and second 10. Share. So please, I hope you will do this for your understanding. Okay, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.